Good morning all. This is Madhavi. I am from East Godavari. Today I am going to give a brief review on Day 9 webinar by Dr. Ipshita Ma'am, Faculty in Ambedkar University, Delhi. Today's topic is Teacher Self-Reflection through Diaries, which is very essential topic for the teachers for identifying the strengths and weaknesses in terms of classroom management. We know that in our classrooms, 90% of learning will happen based on people's reflections. The reflective documenting helps us for identifying student and teacher needs, interests, motivation. This focuses on various areas. It analyzes the relationship between teacher and student and identifies the strengths and weaknesses in classroom management and the activities conducted by the teacher, the tasks and materials for teaching, various pedagogical decisions taken by the teacher, and the process of achieving the learning outcomes and assessment practices. ప్రతి ఉపాధ్యాయుడు తన బోధన అనంతరం తరగతి గదిలో ఉపాధ్యాయుడు మరియు విద్యార్థుల మధ్య జరిగిన ప్రతిస్పందనలు మరియు బోధించిన విధానము, బోధనా అంశాలను, మెరుగైన బోధన చేయడానికి ఉపయుక్తమైన అంశాలను మరియు మన విశ్లేషణను వ్రాస్తూ ఉంటాము. అయితే కొన్నిసార్లు దీన్ని కష్టతరంగా భావించడం జరుగుతుంది. దీనికి కారణాలు ఏమిటో విశ్లేషిద్దాం. Why is documenting difficult? Here a list of some areas for motivating ourselves when writing reflective diaries. They are discipline, bringing together the inner and outer parts of our lives, personal thoughts or daily experiences or evolving insights are all in our active memory. Active memory means it's a recent memory. All our actions, thoughts, experiences, insights are including. And the last one is systematic planning and clarity of information. The next topic is about reflection. What is reflection? Reflection refers to the act of thinking constructively about our own profession, practice with a view to improving it. And also, reflection is a disciplined inquiry into the motives, methods, materials and consequences of educational practice. Here a question for us. Think of an unique situation we faced in our classrooms as a teacher which we remember. Madam shared her own experience. When she was a young teacher of no years of experience, she felt very nervous while facing the students. She faced the problem of discipline with the huge number of students up to 65. Finally, she found a solution through reflections and she created an interactive and transformative own pedagogy. Reflective diaries can be investigate our difficulties and promote our professional development and give support for self-regulated learning. The next topic is different ways of reflection. The first one is reflection in action. The next one is group reflection on action. And the third one is reflection on action. Reflection in action means reflection during the action when faced with unanticipated, problematic and unique situations. అనగా బోధనా సమయంలో మనకి తరగతి గదిలో ఏదైనా ఇబ్బందికర సంఘటన విద్యార్థుల నుంచి మనం ఎదుర్కొన్నప్పుడు ఆ పరిస్థితిని చక్కదిద్దడానికి ఉపాధ్యాయుడు వెంటనే తీసుకునే చర్య. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ గ్రూప్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఆన్ యాక్షన్. అనగా ఉపాధ్యాయుడు తనకు ఎదురైన సంఘటనను చక్కదిద్దడానికి ఇతర ఉపాధ్యాయులతో కానీ లేదా ముఖ్యమైన వ్యక్తులతో కానీ చర్చించి పరిష్కరించడం. ద థర్డ్ వన్ ఈజ్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఆన్ యాక్షన్. ఇన్ దిస్ the teachers can reflect on their classroom teaching after the class is over. That means reflection on what they have done or experienced to prepare for future events. Next topic is types of reflection through diaries. These activities can aid self-learning and enhance teachers' professional development. They are categorized into individual, one-to-one, group-based or institutional. Various individual activities for teachers are self-monitoring, maintaining journals and diaries, and listing critical incidents, and maintaining teacher portfolios and doing action research. And various pair activities are peer coaching, peer observation, critical friendships, action research. Various group based activities are case studies, action research, journal writing, and discussed in teacher support groups. And institutional activities are conducting workshops, doing action research, and discussing teacher support groups. We have already discussed in earlier slides the importance of diary writing as a tool for reflection. Here are some suggested steps for reflection. First level of thoughts and beliefs are uncovered. These move to another deeper level through further reflection and asking questions. Next, breakthrough connections are made. These ideas and thoughts are evaluated against current experiences or values or assumptions, and also other people's opinions or experiences literature. Later, our old assumptions are reframed as desired theory of practice. Finally, we welcome our changed practices. Through these steps, teachers can develop their own theory of practice through discussions or experimentation in their classrooms. Before making diary entries, reflection can also be done in small groups with other teachers who are critical friends. Critical friends means non-judgmental and supportive colleagues or professional friends. In these discussions, each teacher presents a critical incident from their practical experience for reflection in two stages. The first one is a reflective awareness stage and a linking with a practice stage, which is called action. The final aim of the group members is to develop some changed practices as a result of reflections. So the process is in a cyclic manner. The first one is reflections, and the next planning, and next action. So these steps can be kept in mind in the process of reflection. In the diary writing process, teachers can do the following: reflect, note reflections in the diary, plan actions and note them in our diary, try out the plans in our class. The next topic is types of diary entries. The first one is making a grid. Here we can make our own grid in our diaries and note the reflections. Here an example, it is in 4 columns. The first column is the name of the content or task. The next column is method of teaching. And the next column is classroom interaction and student responses. And the last column is learning outcomes and assessment. Next one, diary entries can also be written in a long essays or paragraphs in a free writing style. Here teacher puts down all her thoughts randomly, which is the third model, diary entries through questions. Here different types of questions to engage the teacher to think deeply about various issues in the classroom. Here are some questions. What seemed to go well? How do we know? What might be the reasons behind this? Which is an examples of the reflection cycle. Here are 3 teachers analyzing their situations. Finally, they came to the conclusion with their personal theory. Here are some online ways of documenting reflections. Some tools that she using to document right now. They are WhatsApp, Google Drive, diary writing, phone apps, audio recording, video recording, photographs. By end of this session, we came to know that diaries are an important tool for reflection for teachers. It helps to develop our professional practice and think deeply about our beliefs and knowledge. Here is a list of some areas of teaching which teachers can reflect on while writing their reflective diaries. Learners and the role of learners. Learning. Teaching and the role of the teacher. Learning to teach. Discipline. Content. Curriculum. Assessment. Methodology. Classroom environment. Socio-cultural and political environment. Self and family, community and natural environment. Here some list of areas of teaching which teachers can reflect while writing reflective diaries. Main important advantages of reflective diaries are: first, they allow to observe learning and teaching over time. Next, learning can be investigated with ecological validity, means in a natural learning environment. So, absolutely, reflective diaries are effective tools for us for our professional growth. Finally, she ended her session with Q&A. Thank you for watching this video. I am keeping the webinar series videos in my YouTube channel Madhavi Vlogs. If you like the videos, please share and subscribe. Thank you.